Hey guys, this is Angie at ChicnScratch, and this is the card we're making today. It's a super simple thank you card. I need lots of thank you cards for June, and I wanted to make something really cute, but simple, something that I could make lots of. Okay, so let me show you the supplies. Soft suede cardstock that measures 8.5 by 3.5, and we're going to score that at 4 1/4 in just a minute. I've got Whisper White for the giraffe, and then another piece of Whisper White that is 3 1/4 by 4 that's going to go on the inside so that I can write my note. And then I've got crushed curry for this little scallop circle right here. Now, before I show you how to make the card, I want to explain, this is just a size I just decided to make all of a sudden. I'm not even sure why. But it will fit in the note card envelope if you want it to. This is the note card size, and this is my size. I just needed it to be smaller because what I'm going to write is going to be really short. So you can use the note cards or the envelopes. You can make your own with the envelope punch board. You could slide it into the main envelope, our medium envelopes. I don't think that anyone's going to complain if they open this up and the card is just a little smaller than the envelope. Okay, so now let me show you how to make it. Okay, we're going to place this on the Simply Scored scoring tool, and we're going to score it at 4 1/4. Fold it over. So this is our card front. We're using 3 stamp sets for our card. Animal Outing for the little giraffe, pressed flowers for this image here, and then I'm actually using the stamp set that was in the May paper pumpkin. I love this stamp set, and so that's where the little thanks comes from. You can use any little thank you card or thank you greeting that you have that will fit right there to the side of the giraffe. So now what I'm going to do is take the New Style ink pads, and I want to show you how to open these when you guys get them in. They are a little stiff in the very beginning, but they're going to loosen up over time. But I just flip it open and then take my hand and push back. Okay, that's it. And then to close it, bring it over, snap it. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to take this pressed flowers stamp. I love this. When I saw this in the catalog, I was like, okay, that's going to be perfect to just make a background. Okay, we're done with the, and see, I already forgot how to close it, but there we go. It'll take a while. So then I'm going to take Memento ink, and I'm going to stamp the giraffe. I took these to San Antonio and colored them. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and cut that out with the 2-inch circle punch. And I want to leave myself enough room for the thanks that we're going to stamp. So I'm going to open back up the Memento ink and then stamp thanks. We'll give that a second to dry. We'll go ahead and get the big shot, and we're going to cut out our crushed curry. We're using the layering circles framelets. So here's the big shot, magnetic platform and cutting pad, and my scallop framelit. Okay, so I'm going to get the Stampin' Mat, and I am going to take my new, look at my new chick stand. They're available over on my website. And I'm going to pierce each of the scallops. I just wanted to give this card a little more of a feminine look. So I'm just going to take the paper piercer and punch a little hole on each scallop. Our scallops are a little bit smaller than what they used to be on the punches that we had, so you don't want to make a huge hole. Just give it a light poke. For those of you that left a comment about the voiceover videos, thank you guys so much for your feedback. I'll continue to do them the normal way, and if you guys hear barking dogs and screaming kids. There's a trampoline and a swimming pool behind me to the left and to the right. It's like, anyway, lots of noise this summer coming up. Okay, so we've got that done. Now let's take our Stampin' Blends. I'm using the bronze to color the spots on the giraffe. You can use crumb cake if you want. I just wanted something to pop a little more. And again, I'm just doing this the quick and dirty way, which is my style. Whoops, I just went out of the lines. Oh, so while I'm coloring, when you're done watching the video, head over to my website, leave a comment on this post. I'm going to send this card to someone. Although I will send you the one with the cleaner image because I just went out of the line. And if I didn't say, this is the Light Daffodil Delight. I colored about 100 of these in San Antonio. Okay, we're going to turn that over. Add it to my scallop. We're going to turn it over and add a dimensional. I'm going to add a couple. I don't want this to come off. And then now what we'll do is take some linen thread. And I can tell that my my thank you is a little lower maybe on this one, but it'll still look cute. Ruh-roh. I got to start over. I want to make it really small. There we go. I think that looks good. And I want to curl the ends. I'm just going to take the bone folder. So now what I'm going to do is take the paper piercer and I'm going to take a glue dot and I'm going to wad it up and then place it exactly where I want it on my card, or my white cardstock. And then I'm going to place the linen thread on top. See? Like that. The next thing is we want to add our white cardstock for our greeting. I don't always do this stuff. I do usually wait and do it. I usually fill this out and then glue it in. That way, if I mess up, I don't have to throw away my card because I do mess up often. Okay, looks, is that so cute? I love animals. You guys know that. Okay. Super cute, right? So whoever wins, I'll also send you the envelope, okay, so that you can mail it if you'd like to. And don't forget, chick stands are available over on my website, ChicnScratch.com. Have a great day. Thanks a lot.